this is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is?
Hello beauties and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. I'm a boy mom,
Oh my God!
and as you can tell I have my hands full. If you are a boy mom, drop a blue heart below in the comment section. Today I will be putting up my Christmas tree and wanted to take you guys along. I purchased my flock tree from at home for only $79. This is my first time with a flock tree and it was pretty exciting but also messy.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
After I put the tree together, I turned the lights on to make sure that they are all working because you don't want to start decorating on the tree and the lights are not working. Then I began to fluff the tree and fluff and fluff and fluff some more because this is the most important part of putting your tree together. The more you fluff, the fuller the tree will look and the better.
So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Once I'm done fluffing, I begin to decorate. This year I wanted a winter wonderland look, so I needed something that looked like snow. All of the faux fur galling I saw online wasn't cutting it, so I purchased these 360 dusters from Dollar Tree. It comes with 2 in each box, and I purchased 13 of them.
Simple phrase.
It took me a while to get them in the right place because my little ones was trying to help me.
Many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
Using the dusters was very tricky because it took me a while to figure out the right placement of everything. Plus my little ones was all over the place, so I called it a night. Now day 2 of decorating and Pinterest searching, I was ready to start. Starting off, I always do my topper first, but this year I'm using stems and picks and it wasn't going as planned, so I decided to start decorating the rest of the tree. The white flowers that I'm placing on the tree are from Michael's and they are beautiful. They have this snowy like look, reason being why I picked them, and they're pretty much the focal point. The rule I live by when placing my decorations and ornaments on the tree is the triangle method. You have to make sure that each set of ornaments or decorations make a triangle or somewhat of a triangle.
chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your
As you can see here, I'm using my triangle method to make sure I'm placing the ornaments in the right area. I always step back to check to see if I need to move something or add anything. I know I'm not the only one who moves stuff around when they start decorating. After placing some of the ornaments on the tree, I got a burst of inspiration from my mother's tree because she has flowers as her topper, so I started on mine. I wasn't quite sure the direction that I wanted to go in, so I pretty much just let my creativity flow. This is my first year using stems and picks as a topper, so it was kind of hard at first because getting them to stay in the tree is a pain. But I started off with 3 flowers in the front of the tree, and these are the flowers that I purchased from Michael's. After I placed the flowers in the front, I got 4 of the silver stems that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and I placed them behind the flowers. And once I got everything arranged, I added 5 white stems. They look like icicles, and I purchased those from Joann's. Like I said, it was pretty hard to try to get them to stay in a certain area because they are stems. But everything worked out, and I really love my topper.
So I'm offering this sample frame.
After finishing my topper, I stepped back and add some finishing touches on my tree, and that's it, you guys. I am done. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it was fun. If you would like to see more of me and my crazy family, please hit that subscribe button and like this video for more. Happy holidays.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this sample frame. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this sample frame. Although it's been said many times, many ways,